What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today's May 15th, and we had a pretty good week overall. The hybrid bot has been on fire. Premium selling has been also on fire, and then the swings have been all right. But over the past couple weeks to the past couple months, we've been seeing a huge divergence between value stocks and growth stocks. And some two easy benchmarks to look at is we can see the Dow or the DIA is basically at all-time highs, and then we have the ARKK ETF, the ARK ETF, that is significantly off highs. They hold a lot of growth stocks in their portfolio. But basically, we've been seeing growth stocks tanking and value stocks just flying up. So with this market situation, we've been doing a lot of buying the dip on these growth stocks like Palantir, you can say, CCIV, and some other ones. So the swings have been a little rocky for the past couple, I don't know, maybe past week or two. But Friday was actually an awesome day. So here are all of the plays on the sheet right here. You can see the graph right there. And we can see Friday was just an awesome day, mainly because of Zoom. We loaded up on Zoom call options on Thursday. The next day, Zoom popped around 6%. I'm definitely going to continue to hold this play. I think it has a lot more potential. But really, Zoom it's set to be one of the best trades out of the past month or so. So overall, it looks pretty solid. Right now, it popped around 30%, but I think it has a lot more room to go. Of course, if you are in this play, you can always take profits and run. The options are liquid, and Zoom's a blue chip stock. So overall, that play really finished the week strong, you can say. Besides that, there have been like a couple small losses, couple small wins, nothing crazy. There's still like four or five plays being held. So a lot of them just need time to mature. But that's that for the swings. But the new hybrid bot has also been on fire. This week was actually its best week. We can see it called out 5 plays this week. The first one had highs of 252%, next one 58%, the next one 58%, and then the one on Thursday, it was a dud. That one did not work at all, but then it redeemed itself and then had a 104% pop on Friday. So, of course, nothing's perfect. It's not magic. There's no software that can predict everything 100% every single time. But overall, it's been working very, very, very well. Like I said, it did have that one loss on Thursday. But besides that, the other plays were just amazing. Coin was absolutely amazing. It was the best play it ever called out. I called out coin calls pretty early on Monday, that is. So if we go to coin, we can see May 10th, it called out coin calls right around here, and it just exploded throughout the rest of the day. So that was an amazing setup. And then with the premium selling, this has been basically a straight line up. We can see here all of the puts sold here and then call credit spread here and there. But overall, here are all of the puts sold. So yeah, I mean that they've been working great as well. These plays will not make you rich. You know what I mean? Like they're small percent winners, but they add up over time. And one thing to note is, for example, let's say let's say we look at these let's say we look at these Fastly put options. They are the 35 strike puts for May 21st. And if we look at them, they're the 35 strikes. So you need around $3,500 worth of collateral. But if you, just a side note for everyone, that's if you want to cash secure them. If you want to get like a higher rate of return or return on your investment, if you apply for certain accounts, certain options trading levels at certain brokerages like Tastyworks or like Tradier or a lot of other ones, you can actually get that margin requirement reduced, which in turn can double or triple your return on investment. So I just want to throw that out there. You would need a higher option level. Basically, all it does is requires a less amount of capital needed to write these put options. But either way, the premium selling strategy has been golden. Really hasn't had any really losses. So overall, it's been great. If you do it correctly, really the only thing you have to do is just hold shares for the long term. And if you do it correctly, it's a win-win. And that's what we've been doing. with everything. Really, we're looking for a pop back up with growth stocks. We have a decent amount of call options being held with them. The Zoom play is looking absolutely amazing. No one can catch the bottom, and who knows if this is the bottom, but we got it at a really solid level. Those Zoom call options, they have a lot of time. They're in the money too, so I'm very excited to see how those progress. I'm also excited to see how the hybrid bot develops. It's extremely new. We could see that its first call out was on April 14th or April 15th, I should say. And that was exactly a month ago. So overall, here are all of the results from it. I'm doing a lot of data analysis, and so we can progress and just like update the software so it can eventually get to the point where it automatically calls out exits and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to learn more about the program, you can click the first link in the description down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.